Now we will see application of Pythagoras theorem. As we know that the Pythagoras theorem is applied in right angle triangle, but it is also applied in acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. So how it is applied in acute angle triangle? Let us see. So here given part is triangle A, B, C is acute angle triangle, and obviously to apply Pythagoras theorem we require here right angle. So here we have to draw segment AD perpendicular to segment BC. Okay. So here we have to prove AB square equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. Okay, again students see carefully how the Pythagoras theorem is applied here. AB square equal to BC square plus AC square minus 2BC into DC. Okay. So to prove this, let us start proof. So in this given figure, let we assume AB is equal to C, AC is equal to B, BC is equal to A, AD is equal to P, DC equal to X. Therefore here BD equal to, we will get A minus X, because BC equal to A and DC equal to X. Therefore BD equal to A minus X. Okay. Now first we will take right angle triangle ADB. Triangle ADB. In this triangle, if you apply Pythagoras theorem, we will get here C square equal to A minus X bracket square plus P square. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Okay. Now here we will expand this bracket. A minus X the whole square. C square equal to, now expansion of this bracket is A square minus 2AX plus X square plus P square. This is statement number 1. Okay. Now we will take second right angle triangle ADC. Now in this right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, we will get B square equal to P square plus X square. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Okay. Now from this statement, we will get the value of P square. We have to take X square on left hand side. So we will get P square is equal to B square minus X square. This is statement number 2. Now value of P square from this second statement we will substitute in first statement. Okay. So first statement is C square equal to A square minus 2AX plus X square, and instead of this P square we have to substitute B square minus X square. Okay. Now this plus X square minus X square get cancelled, and we will get C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AX. Okay. Now we will write the name of this side. C means AB. So AB square is equal to, A means BC, BC square plus B means AC, so AC square minus 2BC into DC. Followed? So this way we can apply Pythagoras theorem in acute angle triangle. Followed? Now we will see Pythagoras theorem application in obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now here given part is in triangle ABC. Angle ACB is obtuse angle and segment AD is perpendicular to segment BC. This is given and we have to prove that AB square equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. Okay, so see properly. AB square equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem in obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so let us go for proof. In this figure, we will assume AD is equal to P, AC equal to B, AB equal to C, BC equal to A, CD equal to X. So BD equal to, we will get A plus X. Okay. Now let first we will take right angle triangle ADB. This big right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, we will get C square plus A plus C the whole square plus P square. Hypotenuse square equal to one side square plus other side square. Okay. Now here we will simplify this bracket. C square equal to, now expansion of this bracket is A square plus 2AX plus X square plus P square. This is our statement number 1. Now we will take right angle triangle ADC. In this right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, B square equal to X square plus P square. Hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus other side square. Okay. Therefore, P square is equal to B square minus X square. This is statement number 2. Now, we will substitute value of this P square from second statement in first statement. Okay. Now here we will get C square equal to A square plus 2AX plus X square plus, instead of P square, B square minus X square. Okay. Now this plus B square minus B square get cancelled and we will get C square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AX. And now write the name of the sides. C square means AB square equal to A square means BC square plus B square means AC square equal to 2BC into CD. Okay. AB square equal to BC square plus AC square plus 2BC into CD. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem in obtuse angle